Just upgraded to Windows 11 and not sure where to start? Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step. Whether you're new to computers or switching from Windows 10, by the end, you'll know exactly how to use Windows 11 like a pro. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on helpful tech tutorial every week. Welcome to Simplifix Tech, making technology simple for everyone. Alright, here's what we'll cover today. First, we'll look at the new Start menu. Then we'll explore the Taskbar, File Explorer, and Settings. Finally, I'll share a few bonus tips to make your Windows 11 experience faster and easier. Let's get started. Let's begin with the Start menu. It's the main place you'll go to open apps and search for things. You'll find the Start button right in the middle of your taskbar. Just click it once. Here, you'll see the main sections. The top section shows your pinned apps. These are shortcuts to your favorite programs. The bottom section is the recommended area, which shows recently opened files and new apps you've installed. To pin an app, right-click on it and select Pin to start. To unpin, right-click and choose Unpin from Start. You can also search for anything right from here. Just type what you need like settings and it will appear instantly. The Start menu is your control center, and once you get used to it, navigating Windows becomes much easier. Next, let's look at the taskbar. That strip of icons at the bottom of your screen. It's where you can open apps quickly, switch between programs, and check notifications. You can customize it to look the way you like. Right-click anywhere on the taskbar and click on Taskbar Settings. Here, you can choose which icons to show for. Example, you can turn off widgets or the chat icon if you don't use them. You can also move the Start button and icons to the left side if you prefer the old Windows 10 look. To pin an app to the taskbar, right-click it while it's open and select Pin to Taskbar. To remove it, right-click and choose Unpin. You can even use shortcuts to open pinned apps. Press the Windows key and a number, for example, Windows +1 opens the first pinned app on your taskbar. Pretty handy, right? Now let's explore File Explorer. File Explorer is where you'll find all your pictures, documents, and any files saved on your computer. To open it, click the yellow folder icon on your taskbar or press the shortcut Windows +E. On the left side, you'll see Quick Access. This shows your most used folders like documents, pictures, and downloads. You can create a new folder by right-clicking anywhere inside a blank space and choosing New then Folder. Give it a name like Work Files. To move a file, just click and drag it to another folder. You can also search files using the search bar at the top right. Just type the file name and Windows will find it for you. Keeping your files organized will make your computer run smoother and help you find things faster. Next up, let's open Settings, where you can control how your computer looks and works. You can open it by clicking the Start menu and start selecting the gear icon, or by pressing Windows +I. Inside, you'll see categories like System, Bluetooth, Network, Personalization, and Privacy. Under System, you can adjust display, brightness, notifications, and sound. If your Wi-Fi is not working, then go to Network to check your connection. Don't be afraid to explore. You can always go back when you change something by accident. Now that you know the basics, let's look at a few quick bonus tips. Tip 1. Try Snap Layouts. Hover your mouse over the Maximize button on any window, and you'll see layout options to organize your screen. This is great for multitasking. Tip 2. Use Virtual Desktop. Press Windows +Tab, then click New Desktop. You can have one desktop for work and another for personal use. Tip 3. Learn a few keyboard shortcuts. Windows +D shows your desktop instantly. Windows +L locks your computer. Windows +E opens File Explorer. So let's do a quick recap. We have gone through how to use the Start menu, customize the taskbar, organize files in File Explorer, change settings, and use a few handy shortcuts. These are the basics you need to feel comfortable using Windows 11 every day. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe to Simplifix Tech for more simple tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and comment below what Windows 11 topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.